said the moon to the stars in the sky. Soon said the wind that followed him home. Who said the cloud that started to cry? Me, said the rider, as dry as a bone. Who said the sun that melted the ground? Why, said the river that refused to run. Where, said the thunder without a sound. Here, said the rider, and took up his gun. No, said the stars to the moon in the sky. No, said the trees that started to moan. No, said the dust that blinded his eyes. Yes, said the rider, as white as a bone. No, said the moon that rose from his sleep. No, said the cry of the dying sun. No, said the planets that started to weep. Yes, said the rider, and laid down his gun.